Hey guys, in this video I want to show you one tip that basically allowed me to make over $2 million and $245,000 in sales with e-commerce business. And you know, this tip is basically one of the main mistakes that people make with their Facebook ad campaigns. So I want to make sure that you don't make that mistake and that you apply the right strategies that I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. So basically, guys, when you do Facebook advertising and you want to target, people who specifically buy your product, there are a lot of different options how you can go about it, right? So when you set up your Facebook campaigns, there are options for, setting up campaigns for engagement. There are options for setting up campaigns for traffic, right, or website clicks, depending on how it's called on your side. So clicks, and there's also an option for conversions, right? And there are other options like reach and brand awareness, all of those kind of things. So what happens, guys, is and if you're wondering where's like how's it basically goes on with Facebook, like how they identify who to target, who to show your ads to, how they basically identify the delivery for your ads that you're putting out and you're paying for. So basically what happens is when you put your ads out and let's say you're optimizing for engagement with your campaigns, Facebook puts your ads in the bucket that is designed, that is consists of people who've engaged with, previously with other people's ads. And so what happens is you are likely to get more engagement because your ads are shown to the audience that is likely to engage with ads. And so with traffic, it's the same. Like people who like to click on ads, not necessarily purchase, but just click on ads, your ads will be shown to that audience. And the same with conversions. So if you're optimizing for conversions, your ads will be shown to people who in the past have bought something or they have converted for someone. So for example, if you're optimizing for purchase with your website or whatever your goal is, then Facebook will show your ads to people who have purchased from other brands. And so what happens is you get the audience of people who are likely to purchase. And so this is one of the main things that we've learned, and that generated majority of that revenue that is here, $2,245,000, was generated from conversion campaigns, because we have used those campaigns to specifically show ads to people who are most likely to purchase, because all of these audiences, they're good just to start with, just to like accelerate your ad, just to get initial engagement. But overall, you want to focus on conversions, because if you don't focus on conversions, like all of your money will be wasted on these, unless you just want to drive traffic as much as possible, or if you have very limited time event. In that scenario, you can just go and use engagement, traffic leaks on a big scale, and just try to get as many people as possible into your system. But overall, conversions is what you want to use with your campaigns on a scale, and so that's what will allow you to scale your campaigns farther to the next level. So the way it works, guys, again, it's basically all of the people that are on Facebook. Not sure you can see it. All the people that are on Facebook, they'll fall into one of those buckets depending on how they behaved in the past. And Facebook is predictably like trying to show your ads to people who are likely to do all of those, any of those things that you are optimizing for. So Facebook is helping you to get the most revenue, the most sales, but they just do whatever they can in order to help you, and they'll do basically what you tell them to do. If you want more engagement on your ads, they'll get you engagement. If you want traffic, they'll get you traffic. If you want conversions, they'll get you conversions. So guys, hope it's helpful. So try to optimize your ads for conversions. I'll show you one of the next videos. I'll show you the strategies to optimize your ads for conversions, how to do it properly, and how to scale your ads very fast and very profitable for your business. So guys, there are some freebies below this video, so if you want to grab, just take them, and subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much. I'll see you in next videos. Thank you.